getting his back massaged. He'll start closing his eyes. Huh. Yeah, once he gets all comfy. So, he is an Argentinian tegu. He comes from Argentina. In the wild, these guys would be absolutely vicious. There are signs that are even posted in places like Argentina that say, do not handle, touch, feed the tegus. He has a bite jaw pressure of about 15 pounds, so it is actually pretty fierce. This tegu has never bitten anyone ever. I'm pretty sure I've never seen him even open his mouth except to eat food, and he does that really slow. He is about 11 years old. They live to be about 15 or 16, so he is super elderly.